Piper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in. I just wanted to, oh my goodness, I just wanted to jump on and just tell you that I got a surprise Happy Mail. Well, I guess it wasn't really a surprise. I got a Happy Mail from my friend Debbie Depaul. I'm going to link her shop in the Makers Market. She doesn't do videos on YouTube yet. I hope she does one day though, because I'd love to hear her and watch her create. Anyway, listen, she sent me this Happy Mail, and she basically said this. She said, since you weren't going to have time to make yourself a Christmas junk journal this year, I'm going to send you one. And she did, y'all. And then she sent me, along with that Christmas junk journal that is beautiful, and I'm going to share it with y'all, she also sent me this stack of goodies here. Y'all, I am so blessed. I cannot even begin to tell y'all. Anyway, look how adorable. I opened the package up already because it was in cellophane, and I know that the unwrapping of packaging can sometimes be bothersome. So I wanted to get that done. But look at how freaking adorable these cards are. Y'all, they are so tiny. They are so tiny. They are so cute. 1.5 inches tall by 1 inch wide. These are the cutest things I have ever seen in my life. And they're matte. They're all... Debbie, these are fantastic. I've never seen any this tiny. That's so cool. Look at this. Look at this. Is this a sticker? Oh, God. Oh, yes, it is. Coffee, fresh brewed, best in town. This is awesome. Thank you. Look at this. Look at this. So what is the different marble bread? This is I love these cards. I got some in Happy Mail from another friend. These are fantastic. A&P. We used to have A&Ps. Look at these stamps, y'all. Let's see. I don't know if this will make it better or worse. I know it's kind of glary. These are fantastic stamps. I need to do another stamp session. I really do. It's time. I absolutely love this one because I'll tell you why. I can make my little ID cards using my 1950s yearbook photos. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect one for that, huh? Oh yeah. These are all fantastic. Ooh, that one's cool. Oh, Debbie. Look at this tea towel, y'all. Debbie knows me. Debbie keeps saying, I'll mention things on my videos and she'll comment and she'll say, I knew we were more and more alike because you said this and I do this, and we seem to be very similar. It's so cool. It is really cool. This is so neat. This is going to go on my coffee bar, Debbie. I just want you to know. I still owe you guys a video, too. I haven't forgotten, but I have a collection of coffee cups. And one of my subscribers said she would love to see my collection. So I need to do that, too. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm traveling for work now. So it's I'm adjusting to a different kind of schedule. But I'll get there, and it's been going great. Everything's been going great. Debbie sent me this for my Louisiana journal, the Pelicans. Thank you, ma'am. Look at that. Oh, these are going to be... Oh, my gosh, y'all. Look at this. These are fantastic, Debbie. Thank you. Thank you. I got to get on that Louisiana journal, too. I'm gonna do these in a second. Look at this, how fantastic this is. This is the actual, oh my God, for the song Jambalaya. This is an actual guitar. Oh my goodness, we gotta go pole the P-road down the bayou. Oh my God. This is fantastic. Oh, I gotta make a copy of that. It's got a copyright, but it's gonna be for my personal journal, okay? That is so cool, Debbie. Thank you so much. Now, y'all, let me share these with you. Look how pretty these are. They're cards, and they're blank. Okay, check out the green is so pretty. I love this green. It's really so pretty. Now, look at these cards. They came with them, too. Look how pretty. Oh, I just love them, Debbie. Thank you so much. Now, let me share with y'all the journal that Debbie made. She's so talented, y'all. This is a little wooden gingerbread house. She stitched around the whole thing. It's all this material. I've never done a one signature material fabric journal, and I think I might try. I've had a couple examples, and I think I have enough to attempt it. But listen to me. I keep telling you, I'm going to do my Louisiana journal. I'm going to do my Nurse Nancy journals. I got journal ideas for days. I just don't have enough time. But I try, y'all. I do try. This is cool. Oh, Debbie, I never back my index cards. Oh, my goodness. What a scrap buster this could be. See? Things like that, I absolutely love. Look how beautiful this is. That is so pretty. Debbie, look. Y'all know I love the junk journal jewelry. Love the junk journal jewelry. And your little ruffles, love them. Love, this is fantastic. Now look at this stitch. Can we take a moment? Does your sewing machine do that, Debbie? You'll have to tell me. Samuel L. Jackson doesn't do that. I don't think. I don't think so, but man, it's pretty. Oh, y'all. Oh, this is so, look at this little, oh my God. Look at it. It's an index card. Oh, Debbie, you've given me ideas for days. Ideas for days. Love this. I think I have, well, not that paper. I have something similar. I have a black paper that has a design on it. It's not quite that, though. This is awesome. This is awesome. Look at that. Deb. Oh, this is so great. I got some of these. I love this. And you know, I have some ribbon like this, and I never think to make it a ruffle. But now I will. Oh, wow. Look how pretty. And it matches. Oh, yes. Look what you did. Debbie, look, you just coordinated things so well. Oh, this is fantastic, y'all. Look at this. The pine cone and then the pine cones, and look at the little seed beads. I have a gabillion of these little seed beads I could do stuff with. Huh. And then she outlined it with let lace. Debbie, you do fantastic work, hon. This is gorgeous. I love it. I really do. I really love it. Look at this. I love this. Oh, look at this washi. That is fantastic. Oh, I love it. Oh, no. Look at the gingerbread. Oh, wow. And y'all make, now listen, I make gingerbread cookies. I don't bake a whole lot. There are a couple things that I do bake, though, but gingerbread cookies is one of them. And this looks, if it's not the same, it's very similar to the recipe I use because I use molasses. Oh, I'm going to have to compare my recipe now, Debbie. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Look at these. Fantastic. Please go check out Debbie's shop on the Makers Market for me. I mean, look at this work, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it's fantastic. Oh, my goodness. Y'all, look at this. I cannot believe I've never thought... I'm so stupid. I'm not stupid. I don't call myself stupid. I am not stupid. I just have never thought about... Literally, I have never thought about lining an index card with paper. I've lined it with different things, fabric and different things, but I've never thought about lining it with paper. That is so crazy. Look at all of these goodies, y'all. Look at these goodies. Oh, I see what she did. It's that hidden pocket thing. Oh, look at this guest check. That is adorable. Oh, I love it. She color coordinated everything so perfectly. Really and truly, Debbie, you did a fantastic job. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Debbie, did you put that on? That's like you just lined that. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at this glassine bag. Look at this, y'all. Whiz Bang Gingers. Oh wow, I want to try these. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I might have to try that. Debbie, thank you. Oh my, and look. I have some of this. I never use it. Bet y'all will now. That's beautiful, Debbie. I bet that's from Deconstructed Jewelry. That is fantastic. And these little printables here are absolutely, those are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You know, I love all the tucks. I love all the tucks. That paper's pretty. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Debbie, I love the eyelet. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love this. Look. Your layering is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look, she had me at rickrack and she knew it. Yeah, you do a really good job. You have a good eye, Debbie. Look at that, y'all. I never think about the jewelry that I take apart. Oh my good, Debbie, you've given me 10 ideas just looking through this book. Thank you for sharing this. Thank you for creating this for me. Oh my God. Y'all, look at this felt little liner. She's adorable. Isn't she pretty? Look at this layering. I bet you have that die cut, huh? This is pretty. Oh, it's a little booklet. I love the little booklets. I don't make nearly enough of them. I need to look, and she stitched it. I love this, Debbie. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my goodness. Y'all, and then she tied it with this. I mean, it's perfectly coordinated sari silk. I love it. I need to put it back through. In my excitement, I pulled it apart, but it goes back through there. Y'all, Debbie, I just, man, Merry Christmas to me, huh? Santa knows I wasn't this good. He knows I wasn't this good this year, but Debbie, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so very much. You don't know what you've done for me today, but this is incredible. I am so very blessed as we go into this holiday season, and I want to thank each and every one of you that have interacted with my channel this year. But Debbie, thank you so much for being here with me, and for encouraging me and supporting me, and now for giving me something so beautiful and tangible. She's already sent me a Happy Mail. I did a Happy Mail video on that, and I'll link that video so you guys can go see what Debbie shared with me before. But this is just incredibly generous and incredibly kind, and I promise you, Debbie, I'm going to cherish it, and I'm not going to hoard it. I am actually going to use this for a journal. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for stopping in and for visiting with me for a few minutes today. And I hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm going to have using this junk journal that Debbie created just for me. Thank you guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.